Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am a student of Ryan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad campus. Today I am sharing a simple summary of the TEDx Talk Finding Your Passion. Neelam Hanif. In this talk, Neelam Hanif explained that every person has a special talent and interest. We should try different activities and learn new things to discover that we really enjoy doing. She said that success does not come easily. We need hard work, practice, and practice to achieve our goals. When we face problems, we should not give up. Instead, we should learn from our mistake and keep moving forward. Neelam Hanif also explained that we do when we do something we love, we feel happy and confident. Passion give us energy and motivation to our best every day. The main message of this TEDx talk is to believe in yourself, work hard, and follow or dream. Everyone can achieve success is if they stay focused and never stop learning. This talk teach us to be positive, confident, and determined in life. Thank you for listening to my TEDx talk and Allah Hafiz.